YouTube Premium subscribers are getting early access to some experimental features on YouTube. These are not it's not the craziest set of features, but it's an interesting move by YouTube to put experimental features essentially behind a paywall. Like, for example, voice search on web. Like, this is the ability to use voice search in Chrome on YouTube, or watch on your home screen on iOS. These are not necessarily features you would imagine that you would want to pay for, but I think what it's more like, what they're kind of trying to achieve here is to provide premium users with features that just aren't available to anyone else, so that they feel special. Like, I start to feel like I'm a superior citizen because I get the experimental features. Do you know what I'm saying?
I see, yeah.
Like, apparently in the past, experimental features, you could just click. You could just say, yeah, I want to try the experimental feature, and it would be rolled out. Some people would get it, some people wouldn't. But now it's included as part of your monthly subscription. Of course, that monthly subscription to YouTube Premium comes along with other stuff. It comes along with the ability to download videos, ad-free content, background play, and YouTube Music. You and I have covered it many times on this show. It's kind of a nice package.
Yeah, they don't need to do this. Premium's great already.
Premium's great already, but now they're giving you even more. You can try out these experimental features. There are only 3 experimental features that are live right now, but presumably this will expand and these will change as Google continues to work on new things for YouTube. I think, yeah, it's an extra nod to the premium users that, hey, you're gonna get features first, even before they rolled out.
I noticed that it's gonna end October 20th. Is that just like a little beta program? What happens afterwards? Do you know?
That's just for that experimental feature.
Oh.
So, well, this list of experimental features, and this will be refreshed with new experimental features probably afterwards.
Right.
It would be like an ongoing thing where they're going to test out your user behavior around those features to help them in their development process of actually rolling these things out to the public. You're like, you're working for YouTube at that time, at that moment,
essentially
for free.
You know? Yeah.
You're paying, actually. You're paying premium to. But that's how it works, man. When you're really enthusiastic about something, you appreciate these types of gestures, I suppose. Maybe there's certain other users that are saying, no, I don't want to pay for that, which is reasonable as well.
Yeah.
But if you're one of those people, then why do you care about experimental features anyways? How dare you?
Yeah.
As a premium member, for a limited time, premium members can try out new features. I don't know. It's interesting.
Yeah, it's just like a little bonus, you know?
A little nod.